Airsofters. We're coming at you with a review of a JG M4S system and a standard AK-47. Hope you like it. JG M4S system. Full auto. Thank you. And that will conclude our review and test fire on the JG M4S system. This gun chronos in around about like 480 to 400. 380 to 400. And his is about 450, somewhere around there. And you can pick my gun up, the JG M4S system, on evike.com for $137. You can pick his up on evike.com for $180. It's an electric blowback. Thank you guys for watching, and expect more videos to come in the future.
Drop it.